Welcome! Today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into INFINIX HOT 11. First of all, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got settings. Click to settings and then choose blocked numbers option. And here, how you can see, blacklist option. So click it. And now for unblocking, for example, this last number, click here. Remove this number, click remove, and now we unblocked this number. So maybe once again, click here, remove this number. Yes, remove, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.